Welcome back. Today we're checking out a blender with a twist, literally. If you've ever been frustrated with scraping down blender sides, constant tamping, or adding a bunch of liquid just to get your blends moving, this one's going to catch your attention. This is my full review of the brand new Tribest Backspin Blender, and I gotta tell you, it's unlike anything else I've ever tested, and it may actually change the course of blender designs forever. Okay, let's be real for a second. For over 100 years, the design of electric blenders hasn't really changed. Sure, motors have gotten bigger, blades sharper and faster, pitchers a little differently shaped, but the fundamental process has stayed exactly the same. The blades spin in one direction. The food spins with the blades, hoping turbulence pulls it into the cutting zone. But what actually happens? When your ingredients are thicker, like nuts, frozen fruit, or dense vegetables, the food just rides the walls of the container, spinning alongside the blades. Instead of getting blended, it clings to the sides. Or worse, you get the dreaded air pocket. The blades are spinning at full blast, but there's a giant empty hole around them and nothing is blending. And so the frustrating cycle begins. You stop the blender, take off the lid, grab your spatula or tamper, push the ingredients back toward the blade, start the blender again, repeat, sometimes multiple times just to make one recipe. And if you want to avoid all that hassle, you're usually going to add more liquid, like water, oil, juice, or nut milk. But here's the problem. Adding too much liquid just to get your blender moving waters down your recipes. Nut butters lose their rich, deep flavor when you add seed oils. Frozen sorbets turn into runny smoothies when you add too much nut milk or water. Dips and dressings lose their thick, creamy personality when you add oil or water. And from a health perspective, most of us are blending at home specifically to avoid those additives in the first place. We don't want solvent-extracted processed oils, extra calories, or diluted flavor with our blender creations. So honestly, it's a compromise that you shouldn't have to make. So here comes Tribest with their answer to all these blender problems. And I gotta tell you, I was skeptical when I pulled this thing out of the box. Rather than accepting the old blender design, Tribest reinvented blending from the ground up with what they call contra-rotating technology. Now it's a fancy name, but here's how it works. Just like other high-speed blenders, the high-speed blades spin one way. But here's the magic. The container, the wall of the blender, spins the opposite way. Instead of chasing the food around the blender pitcher, this creates head-on collisions between the blades and the food, and because of this, ingredients constantly move toward the blades, not away. Ingredients can't cling to the walls or form stubborn air pockets, and you don't have to stop, scrape, tamp, or add extra liquids. It's smooth, efficient, continuous hands-free blending even with the thickest recipes. Tribest calls it a paradigm shift in blender design, and honestly, after testing it, I couldn't agree more. Okay, when I put the backspin to the test, here's what happened. First, frozen banana and ice cream bowl. It stayed perfectly firm frozen, no melting into a liquid smoothie, no watering down. Next, I made classic hummus, thick, luscious, restaurant quality texture without having to water it down. Next, a simple green smoothie, smooth, vibrant, and much less foamy compared to traditional blenders. And lastly, almond butter. It blended down to a silky, creamy butter with zero added oils. But I've got to be honest here with the almond butters. This wasn't a totally hands-free process on this one. Even though I was hoping the backspin would handle almond butter completely on its own in the first go, I actually had to stop the blend a few times, open the lid, scrape down the sides, and use a spoon to break up the thick almond paste as it formed. It still worked, and honestly it was way easier than using most other blenders or food processors, but it didn't quite live up to the promise of no tamper or no scraping for nut butters. So if you're specifically getting this for nut butters, I'd say it's about a 7 out of 10. Not bad, but not as effortless as I hoped. But for all the other items, smoothies, nice cream, dips, the best part in making all of them, I didn't have to stop the blender once. Other than the almond butter, I didn't have to grab a tamper, open the lid, or scrape down the sides. You load your ingredients, close the lid, press start, and you're done. Honestly, it's freaking incredible, and I really can't even believe how well it works. And speaking of easy blending, the Backspin makes it even more effortless by offering 5 versatile presets that vary the time of each blend based on what you're blending. There's auto, low and high, vacuum, and pulse, plus a speed dial with 12 variable speeds so you can dial in the perfect blend every time. The LED display shows your speed level as you adjust. All the presets and controls are super intuitive and easy to use. And just when you think it couldn't get better, the Backspin also includes built-in vacuum blending. There's no separate pump, no extra attachments. It's all integrated into the unit. You might ask why vacuum blending is so important. Well, when you blend at high speeds in a regular blender, air is whipped into your food, causing oxidation. Oxidation is what dulls the vibrant green of your smoothie, and it breaks down vital living nutrition like vitamin C, polyphenols, and enzymes. And it shortens the shelf life of your blender creations dramatically. Vacuum blending eliminates most of that problem. When you hit the vacuum button and then make your preset choice, the Backspin removes excess air from the container by pulling a strong vacuum of -75 kilopascals. That step takes about 45 seconds, then it blends unassisted without pulling fresh oxygen into your ingredients. What does that mean? It means brighter colors, better flavor retention, less foam, longer storage life in the fridge, and most importantly, higher nutrient retention. Now, I don't want to bore you with the numbers, but the RPM of the blade speed can range between 6,300 to 15,000 RPM, with the container rotation ranging between 200 and 800 RPM. Now, at first glance, this might seem a little low. Comparing it to the Vitamix Ascent X5 blender, the Vitamix spins at 22,500 RPM, but the food spins with the blades, reducing actual impact speed. The Backspin's contra-rotation causes better blade to food contacts at 15,800, so you get better blending while using about half the electricity compared to the Vitamix. Now let's talk power and size. The motor is 900 watts and is primarily designed for 120 volt electrical needs in the US, but upon request outside the US, Tribest can accommodate the 220 to 240 volt international electrical setup. The Backspin is a pretty sleek compact package weighing in at just over 14 pounds. Its footprint is only 8 by 12 inches and it's only 14.5 inches tall, so it fits nicely on any countertop or in small kitchens. Now that all sounds amazing, but I'm not done yet. One of my biggest complaints and frustrations for every other blender I've ever used is that it's a pain to get out of the blender pitcher every last bit of what you've just blended. There's always precious amounts of it tucked away underneath the blades or on the bottom and sidewalls of the pitcher. Well, Tribest figured it out. They designed a magnetic removable blade. When you're done blending, all you have to do is grab the center part of the blade assembly and it easily comes off the magnetic base, allowing you to get every last morsel of your blender creation off the bottom and around the sides with a spatula or spoon. Not only does this make getting every last spoonful easy, it also makes cleaning a cinch. Simply pull out the blade, rinse it off, rinse the pitcher, outer container, and lids, and you're done cleaning in less than 2 minutes. This setup is absolutely magical. All right, that's a lot. So here is a summary of the pros as I see it. You have seamless, continuous blending, even for thick recipes like nut butters, dips, dressings, and frozen fruit and ice cream. You get true texture and flavor of what you're blending with no water or oil dilution needed. You have built-in vacuum blending for superior nutrition and storage life. With the crazy cool contra-rotation, you only need minimal pre-chopping of your ingredients and it tackles the tough ingredients easily. It's energy efficient compared to high watt competitors. It's all BPA-free materials. It has intuitively designed controls with 5 presets and 12 variable speeds with an easy to read LED display for customization of whatever you're blending. You get the removable magnetic stainless steel blade attachment, allowing you easy access to every last drop of what you blended and super easy cleaning. And last but not least, it comes with a 25-page recipe book featuring 42 recipes for smoothies, soups, dips, dressings, and more. Okay, that's everything I love, but of course, nothing is perfect. Here's a few notes that you might consider before you make your purchase. The blending container is BPA-free plastic, strong and durable, but some might prefer glass pitchers. While the Backspin handled almost all the recipes hands-free and I scored a 10 out of 10, making almond butter did require a few stops to scrape and stir. So it's not entirely hands-free for thick nut butters. But honestly, way better than using a food processor or other blender without the contra-rotation feature. Now the noise level is typical for high-speed blenders. It's not whisper quiet, but nothing out of the ordinary. Some blenders have a soundproof chamber, but that's not a feature on the Backspin. There's no add-in port in the lid for adding ingredients mid-blend, so you'll want to make sure you load all your ingredients at the start. When pouring out your blender creation, there's no pour spout on the pitcher, and there's a gap in between the interior and outer pitcher, so it feels a little weird at first pouring out of the pitcher. Also, because there's a space in between the inner and outer pitcher, some stuff can get stuck in between. No big deal though, as it doesn't affect blending if you're making a second batch, and you take them apart to clean them when you're done anyway. Now, none of these are deal breakers for me, but if they're important to you, they're definitely worth keeping in mind. Now let's talk about price and warranty. Price of the Backspin comes in at $499 and it's backed by a 10-year warranty. And honestly, in my opinion, for what you're getting, that's a solid deal. If you compare it to other high-speed blenders on the market, especially ones with a vacuum or advanced features like a soundproof enclosure, they usually range anywhere between $400 to $700 on up, with some even getting close to $2,000, and most don't offer anything close to this level of innovation with regards to the contra-rotation, removable blades, or vacuum function. Add in the 10-year warranty and you're looking at a long-term investment that's designed to last, not a gadget that wears out after a year or two. For people who blend often or care about keeping maximum nutrition in their food, it's an investment that pays for itself quickly, especially when you factor in the time saved from not scraping, tamping, or tossing oxidized blends. Okay, that's a lot of info, so here's my honest verdict. If you make thick smoothies, nice cream, nut butters, dips, or sauces, and you're tired of the constant scraping, tamping, watering down, and nutrient loss, the Tribest Backspin Blender is hands down a game changer. It gives you hassle-free, hands-free blending with minimal prep and chopping required. It does all the blending without tamping or scraping. It gives you the true texture and flavors of your blends with zero dilution. And because it blends under vacuum, you get better flavor, better nutrition, and longer storage life. I have to say that after running it through the gauntlet, Tribest hit this one out of the ballpark. While there are a lot of other blenders out there and even amazing vacuum blenders, nothing that I've ever tested comes close to the contra-rotation feature on the Backspin. I feel like this machine is truly going to change the future of blending. Okay, so that's my opinion, the juicefeaster point of view, but what do you think? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Would it be a game changer for you to ditch the tamper and never scrape down the sides again with hands-free blending? What do you think about vacuum blending? Is it a vital health upgrade or nice but not necessary? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to chat. And last but not least, the Backspin Blender is on a launch special 20% off discount through the end of May. You'll find the link and the code in the description box below. If you're ready to upgrade your blending life, now is the time. All right, that's it for this one. Until next time, make lots of fruit smoothies, gobble them up, and as always, stay juicy.